Chapter 12 Money. Warm-up activity. Money. For our daily needs, we purchase goods from the market. In exchange, we pay money to the shopkeeper. Currency. The money used in a specific country is known as its currency. Indian currency. The Indian currency is used in the form of coins and notes. The symbol of rupee is this and paise is P. Relationship between rupees and paise. 100 paise makes 1 rupee. 100 paise is equal to rupee 1 and 1 paise is equal to rupee 1 upon 100. Conversion of money. 1 paise is equal to rupee 1 upon 100. It is equal to rupee 0.01. Conversion of rupees into paise. To convert rupees into paise, multiply by 100 or simply add 2 zeros after the amount. Remove rupee and add P after writing the amount. Example 1. Convert 12 rupees into paise. Solution. 12 rupees is equal to 12 multiply 100 paise. It is equal to 1200 paise. Example 2. Convert 35 rupees into paise. Solution. 35 rupees is equal to 35 multiply 100 paise. It is equal to 3500 paise. Remember, to convert rupees into paise, remove the point and rupee symbol, and to convert paise into rupees, put the dot after tens place and rupee symbol in the front. Conversion of rupees and paise into paise. To convert rupees and paise into paise, multiply the amount in rupees by 100 and add to it the number of paise or simply remove the decimal. Remove rupee symbol and write P after writing the amount. Example 3. Convert 58 rupees 67 paise into paise. Solution. 58 rupees 67 paise is equal to 58 multiply 100 paise plus 67 paise. It is equal to 5800 paise plus 67 paise. It is equal to 5867 paise. Example 4. Convert the following amounts into paise. A. 35 rupees 65 paise. B. 143 rupees 26 paise. Solution. A. 35 rupees 65 paise is equal to 3565 paise. B. 143 rupees 26 paise is equal to 14,326 paise. Conversion of paise into rupees and paise. To convert paise into rupees, divide by 100 or simply add decimal after 2 digits from the right of the amount. Remove P and add rupee symbol before the amount. Example 5. Express each of the following amounts in rupees. A. 767 paise. B. 3145 paise. Solution. A. 767 paise is equal to 767 divided by 100. It is equal to 7 rupees 67 paise. B. 3145 paise is equal to 31 rupees 45 paise. Addition and subtraction of money. To add or subtract money, we write the amounts such that the dot separating the rupee and paise in each amount is in a line. Example 6. Add rupees 645 50 paise and rupees 480 25 paise. Solution: 645 rupees 50 paise plus 480 rupees 25 paise is 1125 rupees 75 paise. Example 7. Subtract 273 rupees 14 paise from 786 rupees 47 paise. Solution: 786 rupees 47 paise minus 273 rupees 14 paise is 513 rupees 33 paise. Multiplication and division of money. We multiply or divide money just as we multiply or divide numbers. Example 8. Multiply 63 rupees 30 paise by 5. Solution: first we will do the simple multiplication of 6330 and 5. Now place the point after 2 digits from the right. So the amount is 316 rupees 50 paise. Example 9. Divide 459 rupees 80 paise by 38. Solution: first we do simple division of 45,980 by 38. Now place the point after 2 digits from the right in the question. So the amount is 12 rupees 10 paise.